What's going on, World Wide Web? It's your boy, Marlon Bennett, the original Stoop, the game of internet marketing. What's going on, guys? It's a beautiful, ladies and gentlemen, I'm sorry. It's a beautiful Monday night here on the East Coast in Gaithersburg, Maryland, guys. And as promised, in this installment of how to make money on the internet with your own email marketing business or using email marketing and automated list building, or should I say automated marketing systems and sales funnels, I'm going to show you guys how to go inside of GetResponse and actually set up your first list, okay? Now, GetResponse is still relatively new to me. I have a super huge list built inside the Power Lead system, and I'm able to, using what they call an API key, I'm able to integrate the leads coming into my Power Lead system into my GetResponse. But most of them are in my Power Lead system, but it's cool anyway because I'm going to be building out multiple lists because I'm making multiple lists, and you guys are going to actually get to see me build these lists out, and you're going to actually get to see how I do it. Now, if you guys have been on the series, you've seen me go in and create my first landing page, and if you guys have taken me up on your free trial offer for GetResponse, which you can do at any time. The playlist is up now. I'll leave a link for it in the YouTube description. All right. You can actually see if you are a member of GetResponse where your landing pages are. So let's jump over there real quick. I only have one landing page actually created inside of GetResponse, guys, because I create all my landing pages in the Power Lead system. But I showed you guys in an illustration this the other night. I didn't actually go through the actual funnel, but you guys, I showed you that you would have various or multiple templates available to you in any niche that you can think of. I just happened to embed one of my videos in here, and of course I came down here and I put some bullets. And so that's the cool thing about having GetResponse or the Power Lead system or any autoresponder, by the way. I'm actually going to get another autoresponder because it's something I'm working on. I know I just got rid of Aweber, but I'm getting to get something else because this is where I'm going, guys. It's a method to my madness, trust me. But anyway, so we talked about the landing page. And so that was my landing page. Now, when you want to create a list, guys, like I already did, you would go to email marketing, right? And then once you're inside of email marketing, no, I say email marketing. Wait a minute. Come on, act right. Okay, I'm going to newsletters. Let me go here, guys, and get this right. Okay, let's go to autoresponders. Come on, slow computer. Okay, now we're going to go to contacts. So once you're inside of contacts, guys, you'll see right up here where it says list. Look at where I'm going around in circles, guys. You see? List, right? Now, you'll see, guys, I already have several lists. I told you guys I'm building out all the lists first, right? I'm creating a list, right? I told you when you guys learn these fundamentals, you can go inside a place like GetResponse, Power Lead System, whatever, Aweber, whatever. You can create multiple lists, as you can see I'm doing over here on the left. And I name them different things, but over here, guys, because I use different marketing angles for different things that I'm doing. What are we working towards here, guys? I'm working toward the 7-hour work week. So I'm building it all out. You guys are going to actually get to walk with me and see me do these things. And so that's going to be very beneficial to you, right? It's free information at any given time during the course of the YouTube video series. You guys can actually tap into. Sorry, guys, my son coughing in the other room. You can actually tap into the automated marketing systems and sales funnels and go inside a platform like GetResponse or Power Lead System or Aweber or there's so many others, guys. GVO, you name it, you know what I mean? And you can create multiple campaigns. So, guys, let's talk about creating your first list. Now, you're over here in list, right? So you want to come over here, see where it says create list, guys? Right over here, this little blue button. I'm going to click that. And right now, this is where you would create a name for your list. So I'm gonna put let's just put something simple, right? Let's put money systems, okay? Let's put money systems. I think it'll work. If it won't work, it won't let you take it, right? So I'm gonna create. Okay, so it won't let me do it. They said it already exists, so let's call it money. The S is for system 2. See if that works. Okay. So guys, there it goes. It let me create a list called money system 2. And you can see today's date is October 22nd. How hard was that? Now, if you wanted to create a list, you would come here again, right over here. So now I'm on the Money System 2 list, right? So now, guys, how do I add an email to it, right? Well, let's do two things first. Let me show you guys this. I think I got enough time. First of all, I'm going to go back to my contacts, right? I'm going to go to, I think it's email marketing, guys. And now I tell you, get response is very sensitive, right? So you got to really be cool with it. Because like now, I'm giving it too many commands. It doesn't like that, right? So anyway, let's go to my list. Okay, so then you got a money system 2. That's what I'm calling this list. Now over here, right over here, guys, where I am, this is where you would create the settings for that list or whatever you wanted to do, right? So what I'm going to do is, I don't want to add contacts. I want to actually go to my email marketing. Hold on. Because I want to go to my autoresponders, because that's what that is, guys. It's an autoresponder, right? Now you see over here, right? These are my lists, right? All my lists are in here. Well, wait a minute. Let me get this right. Let me get this right. Autoresponders. Okay, now, cool. Okay, I want to go here, and there go all my lists, guys. You can see right here on the left, all my lists, right? Now, I just created this one, and I called it, what did I call it, guys? You guys with me here? I called it Money List 2. So I'm going to tick that one, right? I'm going to untick the other ones. Now all I want to be in there is Money List 2. That's the only one I want to be working with. So I'm going to hit that to say apply. And now you can see there goes Money List 2 right there, right? But there's nothing in there, guys. There are no emails in there, right? So now I want to go over here to create autoresponder. I just clicked up here on the right. And now I can create a name for the autoresponder, right? So I don't want to create a name for it because it's already got a name. But what I do want to do is scroll down and come to here where it says, let me get down here a little bit, where it says create. Well, let me see, can I do this for you guys? See where it says create new email right there, guys? I'm right down at the bottom. You don't have to create a name. You already got your name, right? I'm going to show you that name again. Money System 2. Okay, that's what I'm creating it for, right? In that list. I'm come down here. See where I am? I'm going to create a new email for it, right? Okay, now, guys, now I'm going to get a title for for the first email, the very first email that I want to send people coming on to this list. Now, watch this. I'm going to say, so what did you think? Question marks, right? Yeah, there I go, guys. In classic form, I'm misspelling, right? Don't worry, guys. Don't worry about the misspellings. Concentrate on the message, okay? So anyway, I'm saying, so what did you think? That's the title of my first email. I'm gonna show you guys why in a second, right? So anyway, this is just really, this is the email that's going out. Right, first email you can schedule to go out to your list anytime you want, right? I'm just letting you know this is how you do it, right? So it's called, so what did you, let me make sure the spelling's right there. Okay, so what did you think? Wait a minute. T-H-I-N-K, right? T-H-I-N-K. 1K. 1K. Okay, so what did you think? What do you think? That's the name of it. Now, this email is going to be coming from you, right? It's coming from me, but I'm going to make sure it's coming from me, right? So people will know who the email is coming from. Then I'm going to go to the next step. Now, once I go to the next step, guys, remember the little monster I told you that populates? Well, we're going to get to that point. Now, when you're creating your emails, guys, there's all kinds of creative things you can do back here inside to get response. As you can see, there are the different templates that you can use if you wanted to, right? And there are, these templates go on and on and on and on and on forever, man. Almost any niche you can think of. But I don't use done for you templates most of the time, guys. I build my own. So look up here on the left. I usually start from scratch. So I'm going to double click that. And as you can see, now I'm starting from scratch. So I got these blank templates. Okay. Remember, guys, I said you can get as creative as you possibly can. I can already see this video is going to run a little over, so I'm going to have to do a part 2 to this video. But anyway, guys, so what do you do next? You start from scratch. You come down here and you get a blank template, right? I'm going to double click that. And once I do that, Now what's going to happen, guys, is the software is going to bring up an interface where I can actually go in and create my email. Remember we talked about this the other day, right? I talked about the fact that the downside is just the fact that we want this to populate so you can get inside and go there and write your email up. Now, over here on your right, if you're looking over here, guys, you got text blocks, you got image blocks, all kinds of creative things you can do when you're composing your email. I always just use a text blocks most of the time, so I hit that, right? And it's going to populate, so I can go up here and start writing my actual email, right? So once that block populates, you can simply, this is cool, guys. I'm telling you, this is the coolest thing, man. You talk about getting people on your list and starting to correspond with those people, you know, via email marketing. You know, you can do all kinds of creative things when you get inside here, you know what I mean? I mean, when I say that the sky is truly the limit, and now the software is acting kind of slow, probably because I got some other windows open. But anyway, I'm going to get up here to where there's nothing inside, okay? Now, okay, I'm almost there, guys. I'm going to do this real quick. I'm just going to copy and paste an email in here so you guys can see how this works, right? So what I'm going to do, wait a minute. What I'm going to do is jump over to my Gmail real quick, because I'm going to copy an email out of my Gmail that I just sent and tested, you know, to myself. And that's something you're always going to want to do, guys. You know how I'm always misspelling stuff, but you want to, you know, my wife usually proofreads my emails and everything, but I get way in front of her sometime, and I got campaigns going with all kinds of misspellings, and I'm really going to, you know, correct that. But you really want to test your email. So anyway, once my email opens, right, now I'm going to go to my inbox. I'm going to pull out one of my emails, right? I'm going to pull out one of my emails to me, okay, so that I can just use it as an example of, you know, me setting up my own email, right, inside of okay, I'm going to use this one. A sneak peek at your members area. And I'm showing you guys all this. You guys are on this. You guys have seen emails like this, right? Now it's not letting me open. Okay, let's use this one then. Wow. What's up with that? I think I deleted those, and that's why it's not letting me in. It's not letting me in. Wow. Okay. I don't know what's going on with that. So anyway, let's try one more. If that doesn't work, guys, I'm just going to type something up from scratch, and we will just keep the ball rolling, okay? But I'll tell you, sometimes my computer, right? Okay. Can I use this one? It's not letting me inside at all, right? What have I done, man? Go to social, go to promotions, primary. Okay, let's see. Okay, so, okay. Let's use this one if I can. Okay, it's cool. It's going to let me use this one, okay? Now, guys, I'm just going to take this out, right? It's a message to me. I'm going to log in. I've logged into here. I'm going to put, if I can get it. Okay, let's copy this, and let's get back over to the autoresponder if we can. Now I'm gonna come in here and I'm gonna paste it. Now you can write your own emails up, guys. Remember, I was a crazy bonus, right? And for people who got the last deal I was talking about in terms of emails, that's already written up for you. So anyway, I'm gonna say, so you seen the Chris Clicks platform, right? And I'm gonna come over here. I'm gonna back up a little bit. Wow, it's really going slow, man. I'm running out of time fast. So I'm just gonna pick up on this video in the next video, guys, and we're gonna finish writing this email out, okay? Anyway, guys, don't move, okay? When we come back, we're gonna pick right up. I'm gonna finish writing this email out, and you guys will get a chance to see exactly how this process works, okay? So I'll be back. Hold tight. I'll see you on the next video.